Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Today what I've got here is the Denali Electronics B6 LED brake light. So what I'm going to be doing is I'll be connecting this, installing this onto my 2018 BMW R1200 RT. I am planning to wire the B6 LED brake light directly into my Denali Electronics CAN-SMART system, which is this right here. That way I don't need to tap into the actual wiring of the bike itself. I'm going to be using my CAN-SMART system. So when I do the install, I will show you how to plug it into here as well. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we've got. See, this is the LED auxiliary brake lights. Okay, here's the instruction manual. Just like for the CAN-SMART system, it is printed in full color, which is nice. And as you can see here, this particular brake light system will actually be screwed into the lower part of the license plate, so it will hang on the bottom. And this one here shows you how to wire the brake light system into your bike. I am going to be connecting this to the Denali Electronics CAN-SMART system, so I will not be wiring this directly into the bike's electrical system. This will be plugged directly into the CAN-SMART instead. But you do have the ability to connect this to your bike directly if necessary. Let's check this out. Here is the brake light. This actually feels really good. I was expecting it to be plastic, but it feels like this is metal. Fortunately, I don't have a magnet handy with me, so I can't test it, but it definitely feels like metal. It's nice and rigid, heavy, a lot better quality than I was expecting. So let's see what else we got. Okay, and here is the wiring. And here's the pigtail in case you need to wire it directly into your bike. You got your posi taps, the actual pigtail. Here's the screws so you can screw it into your license plate on the bottom of it. So that was nice that they actually included that as well. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the box, and then we'll go outside and let's go ahead and install this onto the bike.